If you want to make some money during the holiday season, this is the video for you, because in this video, I'm going to give you 15 product ideas you can sell on Etsy during the holiday season that anybody can do. Whether you're an Etsy seasoned professional or you're just starting on Etsy, you want to get something started, Etsy is an amazing platform, especially during the holiday season. This is literally the doorway for people that do want to start the Etsy business. This is when you start it. So make sure to watch this video and make sure to subscribe to this channel if you are new. My name is Vlad. I'm the owner of TagPup. It is a top pet product store on Etsy, and I'm also the owner of several other Etsy shops that are doing really well. So make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification. The first product idea is a digital product. This is a shadow box. These sell really well. The reason why crafts are a big thing during the holiday season because it's cold outside and people really want to default to doing something indoor, and shadow boxes do really well. These are digital files. You create them. They use their customers use their stencil machines. They sell really well during the Halloween, but especially during the Christmas season. So, all right, the next one, if you have a laser wood machine or you have a way to print tabletop, this is a custom Santa cookie plate. These are selling like crazy. It's just getting the cookies and the milk for the Santa Claus a little bit more special, and it's just a good looking decor piece. The next one is an amazing product. If you do have a Forge laser cutter, this is a really popular. This is activity tokens. This product specifically, this listing is a very new listing, and they are selling out. The reason why I know this is when you click on this, they have not disabled their sales, and you can take a look and see that this is what they're selling. They're selling a lot of this, and they haven't had any reviews yet. That means they're just new. That means they just started selling this product. So if you go on the actual listing, there's no reviews for this item. There's only reviews for the shop, and that means this is selling out like crazy. All right, ornaments sell really well, but specifically the style has been very popular for the past few years is oyster ornaments. Specifically, you want to personalize these. If you can customize these sell really well. Add some gold on the outside. These do really well. If you can find a way to customize these oyster ornaments, it's a very unique approach to ornaments and a great way to stand out in the ornament space. Another ornament type that you want to try to dabble in is state ornament. State ornaments is a great product, especially in the recent few years. People have been moving to different states, so they do want to have a sort of a representation. They're a little bit more attached to their state now, more than before. So make sure to get in on the state's ornaments. All right, the next one is first Christmas ornaments. This is several different ways, whether it's either a first Christmas as Mr. and Mrs. or engaged ornament, or first Christmas for Johnny when he just, if he's 1 or less years of age. This is a great product to get because there's a lot of search volume going to these keywords. All right, the next one, this is the last ornament that I'm going to share with you guys today, is baby birth stat ornament. This basically shows all the details of the baby when the baby was born, and they, parents want to put a little bit of something on their tree that means a little bit more than just the ornament itself. So creating these little small ornaments are a great way to make some money. And of course, you cannot go without selling Christmas gift tags. These are a great product to sell. You can do these whether you print them on a printer, you can use your stencil machine to cut them out, you can do them out of wood. These are really popular. You could do them out of leather. It is a very successful product that you don't want to miss out on. All right, people are doing parties and they want to make their parties a little bit more sentimental, a little bit more special, and you want to try out personalized gift bags for Christmas parties. So this is a sublimation method. You buy these polyester bags and you sublimate them. They're very small, very simple. You can use a typical sublimation printer. You don't need that much surface space to do these products. And the nice thing is people buy more than one as they are trying to host a party of people. So it's a nice little order that will have a larger volume. All right, the next one is a higher ticketed item. I'm gonna try this one myself this year, but it's tree skirts. You can do it several different ways. You can either embroider them or you can sublimate them. If you have a large scale printer to sublimate, go ahead and try this. This is gonna be something that is going to be unique to the people, especially if you can get the cost down. This is going to be a great product for you to be able to compete in. There's definitely not going to be high volume, but you are selling a high ticketed item, which means you can really make some money if you do start getting some traction. All right, along the lines of gift tags, you can also do stocking tags. Stocking tags have always been performing really well. You can upsell the stocking if you wanted to. Now, we all know stockings do sell really well. The thing about stockings, if you are going to sell stockings, you are going to make money. If not at the start of the holiday season, you're going to sell them at the end of the tail because people run out of the inventory. So everybody's going to sell because it is just in such high demand. But along the lines and just kind of neighboring is the stocking tags. So it's a very small, simple thing to do to make. You can do this with your stencil machine. You can do this with a laser machine. You can even paint it yourself. All right, the next one is place tags. These are a great one if you are thinking about maybe a long-term approach for your Etsy shop. Is place tags. These is for your plates that you can do them for the fall coming up, for the Thanksgiving season, and they're also used for the holiday season. This is where people are getting their tables set up and they wanted it a little bit more special, and they add these little individual names for the people they are hosting at the place. So this is a great, very inexpensive, very simple to make, out of wood, out of acrylic, whatever your preferred material. You can make it shiny like this if you get the right kind of acrylic. And yes, the next product I have for you, I sell this one myself, and I think this one does really well, and that is personalized dog bandanas. These are really good products to try to sell if you are doing any kind of embroidery, or maybe if you use sublimation, get a polyester bandana, you can sublimate on that as well. This is a great, or vinyl. There's a lot of vinyl, a lot of stencil work that you can do when selling this product. All right, the next product, if you are going to sell this product, you are going to be very busy, and you're going to probably sell out of your inventory. From looking at the data, looking at what people do during the holiday season with this specific product, they do really well. And that is Christmas baby outfit. Christmas baby outfits, these sell out like crazy. Again, they're expensive. They're not cheap to invest at the start, but these guys, if you look at the most recent, they're already starting to sell. August 23rd, August 20th, August 18th. So they're already starting to pick up reviews, and it's not even fall yet or officially. So really think about getting some sort of, now you can get these blank and you can print them if you have a t-shirt printer, or you can pre-order the design, accept the name, and then stencil the name on after the customer has ordered it. This is baby's first Christmas, and there's something about babies in the first Christmas. And then of course the Christmas Eve box. This is a product that does really well every single year. So if you do any sort of gift boxes, or you do in any sort of woodwork, or maybe you're selling something like this, really think about doing this product. You can personalize this, make sure that they create some fun designs to it, because this is mostly for kids. So now I do have more digital product ideas, and if you're interested, check out this video. And also the price for my course is going to go up, so make sure you check out the link in the description. Until next time, have a great one.